So that is a square, a cube, a to the power 4, etc. So here we have a sequence a square, a cube, a to the power 4, etc. So here the given data we know that the first term of the given sequence, first term can be denoted as a1 and also it can be denoted as a, where first term a is a. Okay, so we know that common difference, the difference between any two consecutive terms is known as common difference, right? So here, so t is equals to a2 minus a1. So t is equals to, see, this is first term, second term, third term and fourth term. So here a2 is a square minus a1 is a. So next here we need to take a as common, so the remaining terms a minus 1. We can take a as same, then the remaining term is a minus 1. So that is a into a minus 1. Next I am going to find the next common difference of next two consecutive terms. So that is a3 minus a2. So t is equals to, here a3 is a cube minus second term a2 is a square. So here what I supposed to take the common difference of these two? Yes, we can take a square as common, remaining terms. So here a cube means we take a square as common, remaining terms a minus 1, a minus a square into a minus 1. Okay, then I am going to take so d is equals to a4 minus a3, the next common difference of next to two consecutive terms, that is a4 and a3. So we know that t is equals to a4 minus a3. So the common difference a4 is a to the power 4 and a3 is a cube. Here also we can take a cube as common, remaining terms a cube, remaining terms a minus 1. Okay, it is clearly seen that children. So see, first consecutive terms a2 minus a1 does not equals to a3 minus a2, and also a3 minus a2 does not equals to a4 minus a3. Therefore the common difference is not same, the common difference is not same. Hence the given set of numbers, given list of numbers does not form an arithmetic progression, Okay, I hope you understand all. Let me take one more example, so listen to me. So the fourth one, 1 square, 5 square, 7 square and 73 etc. Okay, so first we can rewrite the sequence. We get, see, 1 square is 1 ones 1, 5 square is 5 5s 25, then third term 7 square means 7 sevens 49, and the last fourth term is 73. So here we have, so the given data first term can be denoted as a1 or a, that is equals to 1. Then the second term, see, this is a1, a2, a3, a4, etc. So we know that the common difference, the difference between any two consecutive terms is known as common difference. So t is equals to a2 minus a1, and also we need to find d is equals to a3 minus a2, and d is equals to next set of consecutive terms, that is a4 minus a3. Suppose I am going to take the difference of first two common consecutive terms. So that is t is equals to, here a2 is 25 and a1 is 1. So on subtracting 1 from 25, we get the common difference is 24. And here come to the second set of consecutive terms. So d is equals to a3 is 49 minus a2 is, here we have a2 is 25 after subtraction. So we can subtract 25 from 49, again we get d equals to 24. And come to the next set of consecutive terms. So that is a4 and a3. So here a4 is 73 and a3 is 7 7s 49. So we can subtract 49 from 73, we get d is 24. Therefore the common difference is same. And the given set of numbers form an arithmetic progression. And the next three terms of the given sequence are, okay, so after 1, 25, 49, 73, we can add 24 to the 73, and we get 3 plus 4 7, 2 plus 9, 2 plus 7 9, it is 97. Okay, by adding 24 to the 97, we get 7 plus 4 11, 2 1 carry, 9 plus 1 10, 10 plus 2 201. So next consecutive terms 225, etc. Is it clear to all children? Yes. Okay, till now we are discussing about how to find the common difference to the given sequences, right? So are they following arithmetic progression? How to find the common difference if the given list of numbers form an arithmetic progression, then the next two terms, how to write the next two terms, right? Okay, I will continue in the next class. So thank you one and all children. Have a nice day.